everyone.
Hello everyone. Today is rainy day.
I can feel the rain.
Hello everyone! I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. It's raining a lot today. The peak of the Atlantic hurricane season is September 10th, with most activity occurring between mid-August and mid-October. Peak hurricane season has come and gone, but October can still bring dangerous storms too. The origin points for hurricane tend to start further south as waters slowly start to cool in the Gulf of Mexico and Western Atlantic. The most active waters will likely be in the Caribbean and the Gulf of Campeche.
There is a hurricane in Florida.
It's windy outside.
As we said earlier, the hurricane that's currently in Florida right now is Hurricane Ian.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up.
Turn on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel.
I hope you guys enjoy
Today's rainy day video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.